7. Human body, health and hygiene. 1. Our body, a wonderful living machine. Hello students. Our bodies consist of a number of biological systems that carry out specific functions necessary for everyday living. The human body is composed of organs that are part of different body systems that allow the human body to work. The different tissues combine to make the different organs, such as the heart and the lungs. These organs combine to form different body systems. These systems work in groups to serve the needs of the human body. In this lesson, you will learn about the human body and important organ system.
Unit 7. Human Body, Health and Hygiene. 1. Our body, a wonderful living machine. Our body is the most amazing living machine in the world. It can do hundreds of jobs which a machine cannot do. Even if we are doing nothing, our heart is beating, lungs are working, blood is flowing, etc. The human body is made up of different kinds of cells. Cells are the building blocks of the body. Cells of same kind make a tissue. Tissues join together to form an organ. Different organs work together to do a particular work to form a system. Thus, our body is made up of different systems which carry out different functions. The brain controls all the organs of the body.
Our sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin.
Activity. Put a blindfold on one of your friends and let him to say the objects in the room by the sense of touch. 1. Skin. Sense of touch. We feel with our skin. It helps us to feel heat, cold, hard and smooth surfaces, pain, pressure, etc. We feel with our fingers because the skin at the tip of fingers is the most sensitive. Sense of touch. Activity. Collect the flowers with different colors. Put them on the table and ask your friend to identify their colors by seeing. 2. Eyes. Sense of sight. We see the outside world with our eyes. Our eyes are like a living camera. They send sensations of sight from all the things around us to the brain. The brain tells us what we are looking at. Sense of sight. Three. Ears. Sense of hearing. We hear with our ears. Different kinds of sound waves enter our ears and the ears send signals to the brain. The brain tells us what we are hearing. Sense of hearing. Activity. Collect a few strong smelling flowers, rose, lily, jasmine and vegetables, ginger, onion, garlic. Put them in plastic bags and ask your friend to identify them by smelling. 4. Nose. Sense of smell. We smell odors through our nose. The nose sends different sensations of smell to the brain and thus helps us to know smells of different things. Sense of smell. Activity. Take some eatables of different tastes like chocolate, chips, grapes, bitter gourd, etc. and ask your friend to close his eyes and identify each by tasting them. 5. Tongue. Sense of taste. Our tongue helps us to taste the food. Different areas of the tongue help us to know different tastes. Sense of taste. Bitter, sour, salty, sweet. All sense organs send their own messages to the brain with the help of nerves. These sense organs are our windows to the world. If any of the 5 organs gets damaged, it stops sending messages to the brain. Body systems. Our body also has a large number of organs inside it. These organs do not work alone. A number of organs are connected together to carry out a special kind of work. These organs form a system. There are 8 important systems in our body. 1. Digestive system. We need food to grow, to get energy, to work, and to protect us from diseases. When we take food into our mouth, the teeth chew it and make it soft. Then the food goes to the stomach. Digestive juices in stomach change the food into a soluble form. Then it goes into the intestine. The blood takes up the digested food from intestine and carries it to all parts of the body. The undigested food is passed out of the body through the anus. Activity. Chew a piece of chapati and see how it is broken into pieces. Digestive system. 2. Skeletal system. This is made up of bones. More than 200 bones are present in our body. It gives form, shape, and support to the body. It protects the internal organs of the body. Skeletal system. 3. Muscular system. This is made up of muscles. More than 500 muscles are present in our body. Muscles together with bones help the body and its parts to move. It also helps us to move about and to do work. Muscular system. 4. Nervous system. It consists of brain and nerves. The brain receives messages from the sense organs and gives orders for action. It also helps us to think and learn. Nervous system. 5. Circulatory system. It consists of heart and blood vessels. It carries blood to all parts of the body. Blood supplies food, oxygen, and other materials to all parts of the body and takes back waste matter from various parts of the body. Circulatory system. 6. Excretory system. This system removes the waste materials from the body. The kidneys, lungs and skin help to remove the waste matter from the body in the form of urine, carbon dioxide and sweat. Excretory system. 7. Reproductive system. This system helps to produce babies. Reproductive system. Activities. 1. Close your nose for few seconds. How do you feel? Uncomfortable. Can you live without air? No. 2. Place your hand on the chest and take a deep breath. Do chest expands? Yes. 8. Respiratory system. The system helps us to make in fresh air from outside. It supplies oxygen to the various parts through the blood. This oxygen burns the food we eat and gives us energy. We breathe through our nose. The small hair in our nose acts as a filter from germs and dust particles. So, we should breathe through our nose and not through our mouth. In the process of breathing, air is pumped in and out of the lungs. It is called respiration. The chest expands when we breathe in and contracts when we breathe out.
Breathe correctly. 1. Breathe fresh air through nose. 2. Do not wear tight-fitting clothes. 3. Do not cover your face while sleeping.
Let's revise the important points. 1. Our body is like a machine. It has different organs. 2. Eyes, ears, skin, nose, tongue are 5 sense organs which tell us about the world around us. 3. The brain controls all the organs of the body. 4. There are 8 main body systems. A. Digestive system changes the food into simple form. B. Skeletal system forms, shapes and supports the body. C. Muscular system helps us to move about and to do work. D. Nervous system sends orders to different organs of the body for action. E. Circulatory system helps to pump blood to various organs in our body. F. Excretory system removes waste matter from the body. G. Reproductive system helps to produce babies. H. Respiratory system supplies oxygen to the body. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. Name the 5 sense organs. Answer. Eyes, ears, skin, nose and tongue are the 5 sense organs. 2. Which organs help us to sense the world around us? Answer. Sense organs help us to sense the world around us. 3. Which system gives shape to our body? Answer. Skeletal system gives shape to our body. 4. What is the work of the respiratory system? Answer. Respiratory system helps us to take in fresh air from outside. It supplies oxygen to the various parts through the blood. 5. What is the function of the circulatory system of our body? Answer. The circulatory system carries blood to all parts of the body. Blood supplies food, oxygen and other materials to all parts of the body and takes back waste matter from various parts of the body. 6. Which organ controls most parts of the body? Answer. The brain controls. 2. Fill in the blanks. Conceptual understanding. Put T for true or F for false statements. Conceptual understanding. 4. Do you know? More than 2/3 of your body is made of water. A snake uses its tongue to smell. Insects have more than 100 eyes. They can see all around. That is why it is so difficult to catch or kill. Skeletal system is made up of 206 bones. There are about 600 muscles in our body. 5. Project work. 1. Ask the students to make a chart of digestive system of a man and label the parts. 2. Ask the students to prepare a model of excretory system using materials like cotton, wires, etc. and display it in the classroom.